Sam, I'll give you the last word. Yes,
something?
absolutely.
I think it's a super important question. Every technological revolution affects the job market. And over human history, every maybe 100 years, you can feel different numbers for this, 150 years, half the kind of jobs go away, totally change, whatever. I'm not afraid of that at all. In fact, I think that's good. I think that's the way of progress, and we'll find new and better jobs. The thing that I think we do need to confront as a society is the speed at which this is going to happen. It seems like over 2, maximum 3, probably 2 generations, we can adapt, society can adapt to almost any amount of job market change. But a lot of people like their jobs or they dislike change, and going to someone and saying, hey, the future will be better, I promise you, and society's going to win, but you're going to lose here, that doesn't work. That's not cool. Like that's not an easy message to get across. And although I tremendously believe that we're not going to run out of things to do, people that want to work less, fine, they'll be able to work less, but probably many people here don't need to keep working, and we all do. Like there's like great satisfaction in expressing yourselves, in being useful and sort of contributing back to society. That's not going away. That is such an innate human desire. Like evolution doesn't work that fast. Also, the sort of ability to creatively express yourself and to sort of leave something to add